You're in a business where nearly 70% of all potential customers do online research before buying offline. Are they finding your business online? And is your digital footprint giving them the information they need? Can those potential customers contact you easily for quotes, scheduling services, or even getting directions? If not, you're missing out on 2/3 of all potential new customers. NetDriven is here to help. We were designed by and for the automotive industry, so no one understands your business better. Our affordable, results-driven digital marketing solutions are designed specifically to drive more traffic, drive more leads, drive more sales than you've ever had before. But don't take our word for it. See what our happy customers have to say. Like John's Auto Care in Syracuse, New York. Or Chalkville Auto and Tire Service in Pinson, Alabama. They've seen NetDriven deliver a real return on their advertising investments. Isn't it about time you did too? NetDriven. We drive customers to you. Call NetDriven today for a demo and see what we can do for your business.